Datadog, right? So Datadog. So these are 13th tool. So basically Datadog, how many of you know about Datadog? How many of you heard about Datadog? See, basically Datadog is a monitoring tool. Okay, that monitors logs, metrics. Okay. So basically, if you see here,
Recording
Datadog,
in progress.
monitoring. Say, for example, say we have a virtual machine or a physical machine. Okay, in that, say, for example, we have an application run. We can have a Tomcat server running. In the Tomcat server, there is some Java application run. Okay. See, Datadog is similar to ELK, whatever we have seen. If you see Datadog, this is similar to this ELK. Okay, it's an alternative. Okay, so just like how Maven and Gradle are similar functionalities, similar this ELK and Datadog are same. Only thing is that Datadog, I'll just, since it is in the course, I'll just explain you like how Datadog will work. So basically what will happen is, here we can install in our physical machine or virtual machine a Datadog agent. See the differences, it is like almost are all same actually. Okay, like There might be some cost-wise difference between Splunk and ELK and Datadog. Datadog will come up with a license. Okay, ELK you can use open source, complete open source. Datadog you'll have only free trial version, but the thing is, it is an enterprise licensed version. Okay, in Datadog you can create easily the dashboards and reports than any other tool like Splunk or ELK. Okay, there are some features. Okay, like for example, Datadog is completely enterprise tool. Only limited version, only limited free edition is available. Okay, so Datadog is completely enterprise tool. Only limited free edition is available. ELK can be set up completely as open source. Okay. In Datadog, we can create easily the reports and dashboards. Like that. Okay. So like that. So here we'll have a Datadog agent. So Datadog agent we have to install in the machine. So what Datadog agent will do is whatever the logs that are coming. Okay, whatever the logs that are coming from your Java application. Okay, whatever the logs coming from Java application are pulled by Datadog agent, just like your log stash. Remember in ELK log stash does that, right? In ELK log stash does that. So here the logs coming from Java application are pulled by Datadog agent, and Datadog agent pushes the logs to ELK server. Sorry, not that, sorry, Datadog. So Datadog server, so the logs are pushed to Datadog server. Okay. Logs or metrics. So from Datadog server, we can actually view the reports, create the reports, view the logs, and all. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll just demonstrate one working example with a Datadog, right? Okay. See, to do the login, you can just get started free. You can create your free account. You'll get a free trial. Okay, just click on get started free. Now you see, you got like this. So region, United States, Europe, and this one. This email you can use, full name, company, password, phone, and click on sign up. Okay. So what I will do is, I'll give the email and all that, then we can generate. Okay. So I'll just give Kiran. Next is ID. Next, I'll give some password as admin@12345 6. And then I'll say, I'll not give phone number. Yeah. So admin@12345 6. Now click on sign up. Now you see. Now you got this stack. So Datadog will work with any of this. Ours is Java. So select Java here. Select Java. And click on just how many? One server. Okay. Next, click on next. It is telling you haven't installed any agents. Now select this Windows. So in Windows, we have to install this. So as I told you, right, we have to first install this Datadog agent in our machine. So it install the Datadog agent in our machine. So now download the agent installer and downloading. I'll just install this. Click on next, next, install. Datadog agent is installing. That means I'm installing now Datadog agent in my machine. Just 1 minute, still it is installing. So what I'll do is now, I'll write one Java application that sends the logs to Datadog, and then I'll just show. What I'll do is now, I'll just take this Java project. I already wrote that project, I'll show you. Okay, Datadog is installed actually. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just say file import Maven projects, and I click on this finish. So I'm importing this metrics demo project. Okay. So in my pom.xml, what I have done is I have added this these things: micrometer registry and Datadog DD tracing. So basically, what we'll do is we will send the logs to this. So basically, Datadog agent will pull the logs from this Java application and send. So in our project, what we do is, so we will set up one Spring Boot project or one Java project, Spring Boot REST API project. And there is a REST API. There is an API, okay? So basically, from the browser, we can invoke this API. From the browser, we can invoke this API. From the browser, invoke HTTP API. Okay. So how many times this API is called? Okay, because different browsers can access this API. So how many times this API is called? Okay. What we'll do is that count we have to log in the Datadog. We'll create a metric now. In the Datadog, we'll create a metric. We'll create a metric to show metric report, we'll say, to show the count of the API calls made in so and so time. So how many times this API call is made? So we'll show that. But how for that? So now already we installed Datadog agent. Already we installed Datadog agent, right? So this Datadog agent pulls this Datadog agent pulls this metric. So here we'll send the metric actually. We'll send the API count metric. We'll send the API count metric to this. So to Datadog agent, and Datadog agent will send this to Datadog. This is a server. This is a Datadog server. So this is the program we are going to write. And in order for the in order for your Spring Boot project to send this metric, we add in pom.xml micrometer dependencies. Micrometer is a library. Micrometer is a library which will capture is a library that captures the metrics from Java application. Okay. So that's what we have added micrometer, and in addition to that, Datadog related things. Now, in main resources, what I do is what I do is I have to use the API key. See, API key will come here. You can copy paste this API key. From here you can copy this API key. So here you can do the API key. Okay. And whole application key, how you will get is, I'll tell you. Why it is not coming? Agent has been installed, right? Still it is not showing. If you click on finish, now click on finish. But still this waiting for an agent report. Let me log out and log in again. I don't know why it is not showing. It is showing. Fine. Agent got installed now. Now you can go to your organization settings. See at the bottom, you can go to your organization settings, and here you have application keys. See, application keys. You can generate one. You can click on new key here. Something like this. I'll give some kind of. This is a flight application. Okay, some flight app I'll give. So this is the just copy. This is the copy. Copy this application key. So API key you got, application key you got. Okay, that's all. So and this step is for every 30 seconds the metrics keeps on sending. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I think screen. See what I think screen got freeze. See what I was telling is you go here. You go to your organization settings. You go to your organization settings from at the bottom. At the bottom, okay, you can go to your organization settings. Okay. Once you log in, you'll get into this dashboard. Now click on here. You go to your organization settings. Here you select application keys. Application keys. Here you click on new key. Here you can use some name. I already added some name, but I'll flight app 1 I'll give. Click on create key. You got one key. You copy this key. Okay. I think you can remove flight app 1. I don't need. Flight app I just. Okay. This key is copied already. Okay. This key you copied. API key is copied here. Application key is copied here. And this 30 seconds is like from your Datadog agent. I mean, this your Spring Boot project or this Java project keeps on sending for every 30 seconds the metrics. I mean, for every 30 seconds, If there is a metric, it keeps on sending to Datadog. Now in my app.java, what I do is, now you see, I created one REST controller with API bags. It is a kind of a, like in your flight application, you want to track the number of bags getting onboarded to a flight. So for that, what I do is I just create a bag count. Initially, I set value 1. Initially, I set bag count as 1. And as this API is getting called, that means as this URL is getting called, this method gets on adding bag counter dot increment. That means first it will start with 1. Okay, see how it will happen now. You see. Now you see here. Now as this API, as this get mapping, as this API is getting called. Okay, so for example, from the browser, I call this API. So now it will take increment. That means the metric will be logged as 1. Now second time I invoke the API, this increment will be 2. Third time I invoke the API, this increment will be 3. So like that, this is a metric actually. So this bag counter is a metric. And for example, what is the latest value of this metric? 3 times I invoked, so the metric value is 3. So that 3 will be sent to Datadog. And you can see that 3 in this report actually. Like that, if I invoke this 10 times, this increment will be called 10 times. So 10 will be logged to Datadog. That is how this will happen. Okay. And registry is your micrometer registry. So if you see the package registry, micrometer registry will capture the metrics. So if I start this application, I'll show you. So run as Java application. I think some forbidden error is coming. Port in use exception. .8085 port, server port. Okay, now it is fine. So what I'll do is server 8085. I'll just say localhost 8085. Okay. Slash. I'll give this API packs. I got this data, but why it is telling that 1 minute. There is some issue with this. Why it is giving forbidden? Errors forbidden. Okay. I think what we have to do is, I think we have to run like this. Sorry. We should not run directly from the Eclipse. So we should run like this. Already I have put like this. So let me build the jar. And this Datadog agent jar, 1 minute, where it is available. I'll just show this. I'm searching for this jar. I think we have to run like this. Let me build the jar. Run as maven clean. Run as maven install. Or I can download this also. dd hyphen java hyphen agent hyphen 0.922.jar 0.92.jar download. Yeah, it is there. See, I'll just take this and put here. I'll copy paste this here. So now what I'll do is I'll just go to this. I'll just go to this path and I'll run this actually. I'll run this command java it is showing why. Okay, API key is wrong. 76 BD API key is correct. Correct. API key is correct. Why it is giving forbidden? Fail to send metric to Datadog. Earlier it was working actually. I think there might be an issue with. Datadog agent. Whatever the agent that we install, right, that might be the issue. Let me, I think Datadog agent.msa install. I think it will be in the downloads. Let me uninstall this. All programs. Program file. Datadog agent uninstall. Again, I'm installing it. Again, I'll install. Okay. Okay. So now what I'll do is, I'm installing again the Datadog. I think there is some issue with the installation. Okay, finish. Right. Yeah, it is giving fail to. I don't know why it was giving here. If I see here, Metrics Explorer. Let me see whether this metric has been logged or not. Bad count. I don't know why this is coming. I don't know. Earlier it was there. Can you try from your system? I'll share this code. I think might be my system already trial version got expired. Actually. Trial version got expired. You can download your new system from your new system. Earlier it was working actually. Let me search in the. I'm just searching in the error. I don't know. Earlier it was working actually. Errors due to missing permissions when writing application keys or authorizing applications will display this. Okay, what I'll do is, might be I'll generate one more organization. I'll go to application keys. I'll delete this. I'll add one new key here. Permissions. Just give all. Okay, just copy this and give here in the application key. Okay. I can run from here only. Let me run here. See, first it is trying to push for every 30 seconds because we configured here 30 seconds. But after that, you see it is getting like this. I have to see this. Let me fix this and I'll show you. I don't know how it was working earlier actually. All right, then let me fix this and get back to you. Tomorrow I'll show you. Okay. Application key I added here actually. Let me fix and get back to you. Okay. Okay. Then. Okay. I'll just fix this and get back to you. All right then. Okay. So thank you all. Any doubts till now? The concept that you are, concept wise, it is same as the ELK concept, but a different approach. All right then. Okay. Thank you all. See you next. See you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all. I uploaded the material, all the running notes and everything covered till yesterday. Everything I uploaded in the Google Classroom link. Okay. Just refer that Jira and everything. Okay then. Thank you all. Yeah. Let me check and send you. Okay. Thank you.